Hi, welcome my dear viewers, and if you are new also to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And today I'm going to say about what happened yesterday about Facebook and biggest social media or network in the world, and WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook are now back for more than 6 hours in major outage. The three apps, which are all owned by Facebook infrastructure, stopped working shortly before 5 p.m. Other related products such as Facebook Messenger stopped working. And this happens also, or it happened, it comes as former Facebook product manager and data scientist Francis Haugen testifies before a Senate subcommittee about the company's research into Instagram's effect on the mental health of young users. So there was a big problem yesterday because many friends and families and people who use the Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, they couldn't get in touch with their friends and families. So, but some people, they were thinking maybe because of the internet connection or some other issues, but the core problem is there is some other internal technical problem with the Facebook. So Facebook is back online after suffering its worst outage since 2008. And Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp shut down for more than 6 hours on Monday. It marked the worst outage of technology giants since 2008, when a bug knocked Facebook offline for about a day, but the service online had 80 million users then. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp are once again accessible more than 6 hours after the users reported a major outage that took the service offline Monday. Some of the services are not yet fully functioning. For example, some users are still reporting a problem posting new contents to Instagram. To the huge community of people and business around the world who depend on us, we are sorry, Facebook said in a statement. We have been working hard to restore access to our apps and service and are happy to report they are coming back online now. Thank you for bearing with us, said Facebook. And all three platforms stopped working shortly before noon. And when the website and apps for Facebook service were responding with the server errors reporting on, the down detector.com showed the outage appeared to be widespread, but it was unclear how many users were unable to access the apps. And a thousand ICE, a network monitoring service owned by the Cisco, said in an email that the outage was the result of DNS failure. DNS in short is for domain name system, is like a phone book for website. So the outage marked the longest stretch of downtime for Facebook since 2008, when the bug knocked the site offline for about a day, affecting about 80 million users. The platform currently has 3 billion users around the globe. Since the apologies to everyone impacted by the outage, Facebook powered service right now, Chrofer wrote, we are experiencing networking issues and teams are working as fast as possible to debug and restore as fast as possible, he said. In 2019, also similar outage lasted about an hour. Facebook blamed a server configuration change for that outage. So this was the problem of yesterday's, and many people in the world also, they were tweeting also, and some they said that some supporting, and some also they were angry because they missed their loved ones, their friends, families, and some they said it's a kind of a toxic, and we get a break for the time being. So there are two kind of opinions for both sides, and but now the biggest social media, Facebook, and the other also the apps, the WhatsApp and Instagram also, they are now working. Facebook bought the Instagram in 2012 with $1 billion, and also bought the WhatsApp with $19 billion in 2014. So this one I am going to translate also in Tigrinya. ዝሓለፈ መዓልቲ ማለት እዩ ትማለ ማለት እዩ ብዙሕ ሰብ ኣብ ሙሉእ ዓለም ማለት እዩ ናይ ፌስቡክ ናይ ኢንስታግራም ናይ ዋትስኣፕ ጥቀም ማለት እዩ ብዙሕ ሽግር ኣጓኒፉ ማለት እዩ ምክንያቱ ብዙሕ ሰብ እንታይ ኮይኑ ፌስቡክ ገለ ክብል ውዒሉ ማለት እዩ ተቐንዲ ምክንያት እንታይ ትናቱ ናይ ውሽጣዊ ሲስተም ናይ ፌስቡክ ማለት እዩ ናቱ ፀገም ከም ድኾነ ማለት እዩ እጅ ፀገም እንታይ DNS ዝበሃል ኣሎ ዶሜን ኔም ሲስተም ዝበሃል ልክ ከምዚ ናይ ቴሌፎን ቡክ ማለት እዩ እሱ ናቱ ፀገም ስለ ደጓነፈ ኣብ ሙሉእ ዓለም ክሳይ ኣጓኒፉ እዚ ከም ትድሌትካ ፅሒፍካ ክትረኽቦ ደይ ምኽኣል ወይ ከዓ ናብቲ ናይ ፌስቡክ ሳይ ከረኽበና ደይከኣለ ማለት እሱ ጥራይ ደይኮነ እቲ ኢንስታግራም ዋትስኣፕ ከዓ ብሓደ ኮይኖም ምክንያቱ ፌስቡክ ንኢንስታግራም ዋትስኣፕን ዓዲግዎም እዩ ኣብ 2012 ብሓደ ቢልዮን ዝተገዚእዎ ንኢንስታግራም ብ2014 ካብ 19 ቢልዮን ዶላር ከዓ ነክስተገዚእዎ ማለት ንዋትስኣፕ ማለት ሕጂ ክልቲኦም ኣብ ትሕቲኡ እዮም ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ትዛዓበየ ናይ ሶሻል ሚድያ ዓለም ከም ምዃኑ እንደገና ብዙሕ ሰብ ከዓ ምስ ፋሚሊኡ ምስ ዕሩክቱ ብኡ ከዓ ኢንተራክት ስለ ዝገብር ሕጂ እቲ ክስታይ ምግባር ማለት እዩ ምጥፋእ ናይ ትማል ማለት እዩ ብዙሕ ምቅዋስ ፈጢሩ ኣብ ሙሉእ ዓለም ማለት ሕጂ ግን ናብ ቦትኡ ተመሊሱ ኣሎ ኦኬ ጃስ ነዚ ሓበሬታ ክህብ ኢሎም መዓልቲ ኣትየ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ቀጻሊት ናይ ኖርዌጅያን ቋንቋ ትምህርቲ ድዩ ካልእ ሓበሬታ ክበኩም እየ ክሳብ ኣብ ቀጻሊ ንራኸብ ከዓ ሰሰናይ እንዳተመነኹ ብዝተኸኣለኩም መጠን ሰብስክራይብ ሼር ከምኡ ከዓኒ ላይክ ካብ ምግባር ከዓ ኣይትሕመቑ ማለት እዩ Please, my dear viewers and new viewers also, please try to subscribe, share and like to your friends. Varsos ni alla min vänner och den ni de som kom till den netsidan eller kanalen också. Varsos ni abonnerar också eller subscribe, like och del och share också till deras vänner. So I wish you all the best and see you in my next video. Have a great